Right there is Bouncy. We are celebrating the 28th anniversary of elevator photography 2 days late. We are at Exton Square Mall. We're going to do at least 2 elevators in one video here. We're starting at Macy's with the Otis Lexan, which is working this time. There it is. It doesn't light up. We're gonna watch this button go out over here. Ugh. I don't think that indicator works. The UL button lights up over here. There's the certificate right there, 1972, it says on there. It's supposed to be 6 feet apart, and I don't think it's even 6 feet. Not even close. No. Anyways, I'm gonna go ride. We're gonna see if we can ride the one outside of the Macy's store. So we'll be back shortly with that one. All right, we are at the elevator outside of the Macy's. That doesn't say anything about filming the elevator. I don't think I'm technically supposed to be filming, but I'm not breaking any law. Waiting for it to get here. Here it is. Got a mirror on the wall.
I like that.
Ding. Watch the indicator change. Now you can see me in the indicator. It was the stickers on the doors. Go back up. Why, hello there. And yes, I am not wearing a mask.
No.
No.
Screw that.
Oof. It's running low on hydraulic fluid. Don't want to go, I shouldn't have done that. I should have pressed the door open button. Oh. Anyway, let's try to get one more in the video before it might run out of storage space. All right, we are at the Boscov's elevator. See if we can get this one in or to the video. I want to press the button this time. Oh, door operator's messed up. Stickers on the door in this one too. Must have been the same person or same kid or something.
Okay.
Probably. Oh, the light's flickering.
Oh, these monitors.
$19.99. Hopefully we don't get stuck in here on the way up. Schindler's are pretty unreliable elevators. Schindler's are pretty unreliable elevators. They run like crap sometimes. Getting that little cat view. This elevator is 22 years old. All right. We'll see if we can squeeze one more into this video. Anyways, we'll see you there. All right. Well, yeah, we found. We're gonna up. We found the other elevator. It appears to be working. Yeah. Maybe not. You know what? They're both broken.
You don't hear anything.
They're both broken. Oh, shouldn't be able to do that.
No.
Anyways, I guess that will be it. Thanks for watching this video.